So this time we are going to customize our email, and before customize the email, we have to give the link to our sign-in page, our login page. So let's quickly add this link and come to our views, and in our auth we have a register. So in a register, at the bottom of the form, so we will create a heading 5, and class is text center, and already have an account. So already have an account, so we will create an anchor tag, and it will go to a route which is a login, and the name is sign in. And after that we will make some space. So div column small 10, and let's check it, refresh. So we have a link, already have an account, so we can go to a sign in and we can shift to our sign up. So when we go to a sign in, so don't have an account, so sign up, and so forgot password will link go to our this page. So now we have to customize this page, which is a password reset. So password reset, we will customize this our own requirements, email address. So we can go back, login. Okay, let's close it, and the email is this. This is the form, and add our auth app template, and section is auth content. So container will be not required, remove it. Also we will not required a row, so we will remove it. And just like in our login or register, so we required a space, paste it, uh, and column MD, we will change all MD to right now to small. And we will set a class register top login, So we will not require this card, and let's remove this one, and this div also not required, and we have remove it. This one, move it, save your file. So we have a farm, and we will give the same classes that we have given in our login and register. So farm class will be farm horizontal, register container, and table padding, role farm, method post, action to password, email. Okay, we can give our CRS field, CSRF field like this. Okay, we have now farm group. We will create our own farm group for paste it a farm group div column and small 12 grid system 12 grid and forget password. So it's a heading 3. Okay, in the email remove the row, column small form, con farm label. We will not require it. Also we'll set it to email address, and change this 6 to control D to select from 6 to 10. Input type email. This is good. Okay, farm control and remove the error. Name email value old required. Okay, if error has email, display the help log. Save it. So div class farm group and not required this. So offset is 4. Let's change it to 12. Remove the offset. Button type submit. Class button danger, and button blog, and remove this and type we will send password reset link. So under the form, we will give our sign up and to home button. Link we will give our tech center. Do not have an account, so it will go to a register, route register, sign up, and heading 5 tax center, go home to our login page. So sign in. Okay, let's check and refresh. So forget password. So we have a forget password. So sign up. We'll go to sign in, forget password, and don't have account, go home. So it's work. Okay. And forget password. Let's align it. What the layout is behaving. So column small 8, and so it is 4, and make it to 8, and this is 12. Save it, refresh your page. So email address is 4 and 8. Change it to 2 and 8. So so now it's good. Okay, to our email, which is a 2, and make it 4. Save it, refresh. So that's nice. So forget password, and we have an email address. It will send the link, and we can check our sign up working. Go to sign in, and we have to go to sign up, sign in, and forget your password. So forget password, email address. That's fine. In the next video, one last customization in our reset password is meaning. So we will done it in next video to reset email.